can a Muslim be a vegetarian? A Muslim cannot be a vegetarian out of devotion. So in other words, you can't forego meat as a religious practice like you would do in Hinduism, say for instance, or Buddhism. But for instance, I know a rabbi who no longer eats meat because of the unethical way that animals are treated. That would actually be permissible if you were doing it because you felt that the industrial meat industry is so unethical that you said, I don't want to contribute to it. That's a perfectly valid reason to do it, because you're not doing it because of the meat. You're doing it because of the way the animals are being treated. But there was one of the Sahaba who was called Abu Amr Ab al-Lahm. That was his name, the one who refused meat. And the Prophet aqarrahu alayh, which means that a person could literally not eat meat. There's some people don't like meat. In fact, there's an Arabic word for people that like meat, which is qaram. In the Muwatta, there's a hadith in which the Prophet ﷺ, in which Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu was asked about, he asked a man who he saw him buying meat every day. And he said, Akulu mashtahayt ashtarayt, like every time you're hungry for meat, you just go out and buy it? Like he's shocked by this. And the man said, Inni qaram, like I'm qaram. In other words, I'm a carnivore, somebody that really likes meat. And there are people that do like meat in that way. But Umar ibn al-Khattab during his khilafah did not permit people to eat meat every day. It's very interesting because one of the things, believe it or not, meat diminishes the net worth of a country. So for instance, one of the things that the World Bank does is it measures all the livestock in Muslim countries as a way of assessing their value. And then the loans that they give them are partly determined by the amount of livestock they have. So these are all very interesting things economically.